Hello everyone, I'm George Laramore, your sales consultant here at Vermont Country Campers in East Montpelier, Vermont, where we love to make your memories come true with camping. Today I'm going to show you a pop-up by Rockwood, the 1640 LTD. Beautiful pop-up for the beginner. The first thing I'd like to point out what makes our pop-up different, or this brand. The warranty. You know, you want to get something that's going to take care of you and last. You know, the tent here, 5-year warranty, marine grade tent, marine grade vinyl with stitching that swells up when the rain hits it. That makes me feel good if I'm camping. A electronic power lifter right here that has a limited lifetime warranty on it, which is unbelievable. I'm going to take you around here to show you a few other things. You have a slide right here for your outdoor grill. You just slide the table on there and put the grill on. Wonderful for barbecuing. You know you're going to do that when you're camping. So come inside. Now here is that indoor-outdoor grill I was telling you about. 2 burners. You take it in or outdoors, and you got a queen size bed on that side. The mattress is heated, and a full size mattress on this side. Both of them are heated. You got your sink over here. More cabinet space right there. You can put a lot of items. And the floor, 10-year warranty on the floor. That's another thing that sets our pop-up apart. You have a dinette set right here that you also can invert into a bed for the kids. You just lower it, put the pillows down, and which is really nice. And for your fridge, it's going to be right here. So you can store a lot of your drinks and whatnot. Again, thank you for touring the Rockwood Pop-Up 1640 LTD. I'm George Laramore, your sales consultant right here in East Montpelier at Vermont Country Campers, and you can visit us on the web as well. Take care.